Hi there, I'm Divya from Grammar Guru Peedom Plus. Have you ever worried that you know enough English, but when the moment comes you need it the most, you stammer? When you attend an interview, when you are in a job meeting, when you need help at an airport, or at any time that you really need it, you hesitate, you translate words in your head, or you get nervous and completely freeze. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. In this video, let's discuss the 5 crucial reasons why you aren't fluent in English, why the words fail you, why you stammer, and more importantly, how to fix them. Stay with me till the end because I'll also give you a simple technique that will help you sound more natural and confident in English conversations. The first reasons many learners struggle with fluency is that they translate everything from their native language into English. This takes time and makes your sentence sound unnatural. English has its own rhythm, structure, and expressions, and translating every word can slow you down. Instead of thinking, how do I say I'm hungry in English? Just train your brain to think in English naturally. Here is how to fix it. Start by naming things around you in English. You will be surprised to realize how many of those things you don't actually know the exact English names for. Think in small English sentences. Most non native English learners I have met in my career are overly eager to construct complex sentences, either to satisfy themselves or to impress listeners. Naturally, they make mistakes and may become a target for ridicule, which eventually leads to panic and makes them think they'll never be fluent. The best way to overcome this is to start by thinking of constructing simple sentences in English like, I'm eating breakfast, or the weather is nice today. Use an English only dictionary to avoid relying on translation. I've seen many ESL learners use a bilingual dictionary to find word meanings, but this is counterproductive because the human brain can focus properly on only one language at a time. When you're constantly translating, you are forcing your brain to juggle two things at once, which leads to confusion and failure to be fluent in English becomes a natural outcome of this habit. The second reason is fear of making mistakes. Many learners worry too much about grammar or pronunciation and don't speak at all. But guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes. How to fix it? Speak first, correct later. Don't stop a conversation just because of a small mistake. Practice with a language partner or talk to yourself in English. Learn to laugh at your mistakes. They are part of the learning process. The third reason is lack of listening practice. The third reason is lack of listening practice. Fluency isn't just about speaking, it's also about listening. If you don't listen to enough English, you won't pick up the natural flow, pronunciation, and expressions. It's a myth that you'll acquire practical language skills just by memorizing words from books. How to fix it? Listen to English podcasts or watch YouTube videos in English. Try the shadowing technique. Repeat what native speakers say immediately after them. Watch movies with subtitles first, then without subtitles. The fourth reason is limited vocabulary and expressions. If you don't have enough vocabulary and if you keep using the same 20 to 30 words, you'll struggle to express yourself. But here is the good news. You don't need thousands of words to be fluent. How to fix it? Instead of memorizing long lists, learn phrases like that sounds great. Oh, I see what you mean. Use the 111 method. Learn one new word, one new phrase, and one new sentence daily. Use new words immediately in a sentence to remember them. The fifth and final reason is the most obvious one. You don't practice speaking enough. Reading and writing alone won't make you fluent. How to fix it? Speak out loud even if you are alone. Find a language partner or join online English conversation groups. Record yourself speaking and listen to your progress. Now, you know the five biggest reasons why you are not fluent in English and how to fix them. You translate instead of thinking in English, fear of making mistakes, lack of listening practice, limited vocabulary and expressions, not practicing enough speaking. Tell me in the comments which one do you struggle with the most? Let's start improving together. Now, can you guess the English names of these common things you probably use every day? A small bag with a long strap on one shoulder, colorful sticky slips for reminders, a small black clip that holds many papers, a jacket with a hood to cover your head, a long wire with multiple plug sockets. If you know the answers, comment them below. I'd like to see how many you get right. And if you'd like to check your answers and learn the names for 45 more daily use things, download our free PDF. Name the things around you. You'll get the answers for these and 45 more daily use items, cues, and answers to practice and improve your vocabulary. We'll talk about how to start thinking in English naturally in our next video. Don't miss it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons like this. And hit the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. If you'd like to improve your English grammar skills, subscribe to Grammar Guru Peedom, our sister channel, and follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram for more fun English learning. All the links are in the description box below. Keep practicing and keep speaking. See you in the next video.